What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Masa chips versus the Vaca chips. Now these are both beef tallow chips. The Masa chips come in a Ziploc bag and the Vaca chips come in a regular chip bag. And the key difference here is really the price and the different flavors that they offer. Now, personally, I love that I get to share these, and this is my quote unquote job, being the chief chip tester. So the key difference here is Masa chips are about $11 a bag, whereas the Vaca chips are like $8-9 a bag. So, and it depends on the sales and the discount links and things. And by the way, I'll put discount links for both Masa and Vaca chips below. But with the Masa chips, they have regular corn, blue corn, lime. This is their habanero. This is my absolute favorite flavor. By the way, I ate all of these chips. That's why the bags are empty. The habanero chip, I actually have 2 bags that I ate, just completely smashed those. So the habanero chips from Masa is personally my favorite flavor. They season them very richly, very well. They don't go short on the seasonings. And what I found with Masa chips in general is that Masa chips, they do cost a little bit more, but I noticed that they are fattier and they have more beef tallow on them than Vaca chips. So you can just tell there's a little bit more beef tallow with them and they season them a bit more. Whereas the Vaca chips, or Vaca, I don't know how to say it, their chips, I can tell don't use as much beef tallow, so there's not as much fat in them. It's more carbs, it's more, the tortilla. And then they have different flavors. So the sweet and spicy was actually really good. It's one of my favorite flavors. However, the third ingredient is cane sugar, and the amount of sugar in here is 6 grams, and there's 5 servings per container. So that's like 30 grams of sugar in this bag of chips. That's a lot. So I won't be buying that again simply for the sugar content, even though it tasted good. A little too much sugar for me. The regular, the cowboy queso, I had a little bit more high hopes for these. They didn't season them well enough, and they also put cane sugar in this as well. 4 grams of sugar, 5 servings, so you're looking at 20 grams of sugar. So I didn't like that either, and I didn't think they seasoned it enough with seasoning. It just didn't have enough seasoning. Whereas the habanero chips from Masa, they not drench, but they put a lot of seasoning in these, so it tastes really good. And then they're also more filling though, because the beef tallow is more fattening, so you eat less chips and you feel more full with Masa chips. Whereas the Vaca, less beef tallow and just less seasoning overall, and still cane sugar and the cowboy queso. And to be honest with you, it just didn't have, and it has cheddar cheese in it, but it's not organic. So I just actually realized that. I don't know how I missed that. And citric acid, which to be honest with you, not a huge fan of that. So not as good. Their zesty lime was pretty good. I did like that one. This one doesn't have sugar in it, thankfully, and it has rosemary extract, lime oil, onion. It does have citric acid still. But this was one of my favorite ones from them. Their lime flavor, that tasted better. And then their original was just so-so. The other flavor that I didn't show you is their classic ranch. That was actually my favorite flavor. I would say the classic ranch and then the lime were my 2 favorite flavors from Vaca. They tasted the best in that order. So the classic ranch would be first and then the lime would be second. There just wasn't enough seasoning in the cowboy queso. And the sweet and spicy was delicious. And if you don't care about your sugar intake, this stuff is delicious, but 30 grams of sugar in a small bag of 5-ounce bag of chips is a little bit crazy to me. So that's the key difference. Once again, you have less beef tallow on the Vaca and less seasonings overall, and some of their chips have cane sugar, whereas Masa chips have no cane sugar and they're a little bit cleaner. The ingredients are just simply, organic, and actually I don't know if they're organic either. I believe they are. Where are they? I'm not finding them. I think it's on their website. Oh yeah, here it is. So organic corn, grass-fed beef tallow, and on here, it just says beef tallow. It doesn't say grass-fed. So this is not grass-fed Vaca, and the Masa chips are grass-fed beef tallow, which that's a huge difference. That's another thing I think we should pay attention to. And then they use like different chilies, and just, if you're looking for like the highest quality, this is only like $2 more a bag, the Masa, but it just tastes much better, to be honest with you. Vaca's gonna add sugar and they're not using grass-fed beef tallow, and they have citric acid. So a little bit disappointed with Vaca, to be honest. Still good. I still like the lime and the Cool Ranch one. But Masa chips, especially the habanero, if you get that flavor, you're gonna be in heaven. Believe me, that stuff is delicious. With that being said, there's a third brand I wanna introduce to you that I do absolutely love. I just got this in the mail today. I've had this many times before, however. It's Vandy chips. These are potato chips, and they are using organic potatoes and 100% grass-fed beef tallow, organic black pepper, sea salt, onion, and purple shallot. Now, these are amazing. This is the French onion. They have like herbes de Provence, like a French chip. And then they have like a barbecue and a few other flavors. But honestly, the Vandy, I like much more than the Vaca, and even more than the Masa. But then again, the Masa, the Caponero is just so good. So anyways, the Vandy chips are another great beef tallow chip. I'll put the link to this below. Like I said, it's organic. And really the best two brands are Masa and Vandy. I mean, in terms of quality, flavor, they are a tad pricier, but you know, how often do you eat chips? I don't eat chips that much, maybe once or twice a week. And the nice thing about these is because they use the grass-fed beef tallow, they're more filling and you're gonna be full faster and you won't eat as many. So you actually snack less, which is a good thing. So I'll put discount links that I think Vandy has like 25% off. They have, Masa has like 15 or 20% off. Vega has like 15, 20% off. So I'll put all of those discount links right below this video so you can get a discount whatever chip brand you buy. And if you wanna get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, including the best coffee in the world, Purity Coffee, which is right behind me. If you're a connoisseur of the finer things in life, the higher quality, healthier things, I'll just put a discount link to Purity Coffee right below this video too. But if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit the link healthywildfree.com/shop right below in the comment section, pinned at the top. Subscribe to the channel for future health and wellness reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.